Introduction to bone healing.
Bones have remarkable self-repair abilities. After a fracture, your body activates a series of natural processes to restore bone strength and structure. Understanding these stages helps explain why healing can take weeks or even months, and highlights the importance of proper care during recovery.
The inflammatory phase, immediate response.
Healing begins within hours of a fracture. Blood vessels at the injury site are damaged, causing bleeding and inflammation. A blood clot, known as a hematoma, forms around the break. This clot provides the foundation for new bone growth and brings cells that clean up debris and signal further healing.
The reparative phase, building new tissue.
Next, the body starts building a soft callus. Specialized cells create collagen and cartilage to bridge the broken bone ends. Within a few days to weeks, this soft tissue turns into a hard callus made of newly forming bone, giving the fracture some stability while the repair continues.
The remodeling phase, restoring strength.
The final stage is bone remodeling. Over months, the hard callus is reshaped and replaced by mature bone. Excess material around the fracture dissolves, and the bone gradually regains its original shape, structure, and strength. This phase ensures the bone functions just as it did before the injury.
Supporting the healing process.
Proper care accelerates bone healing. Rest, a healthy diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, and medical interventions like casting or surgery help bones mend correctly. Following your doctor's advice and avoiding excess stress on the injury are key to a full recovery. Bones can be strong again, thanks to this remarkable natural repair process.